A slow Android phone is not always a hardware problem. In most cases, it's a system overload issue. Too many apps, too much storage usage, and background processes draining performance. The good news is, you can fix it without buying a new phone. Let's go step by step. 1. Restart your phone first. This sounds basic, but it's powerful. Restarting clears temporary memory, RAM, and stops background processes that slow the system. If your phone has been running for days without a restart, performance drops significantly. 2. Clear storage space. One of the biggest reasons for lag is full storage. When storage is almost full, your phone cannot process tasks efficiently. Fix it by deleting unused apps, removing large videos or downloads, clearing old files. Aim to keep at least 20-25% storage free for smooth performance. 3. Remove background apps. Many apps run silently in the background. This consumes RAM and slows everything down. Go to recent apps and close unnecessary applications, especially social media apps, games, heavy browsers. This instantly improves speed in many cases. 4. Clear app cache. Apps store temporary data called cache to load faster, but too much cache can slow your device. Go to Settings, Apps, Storage, Clear Cache. Focus on heavy apps like Facebook, Chrome, YouTube. This frees memory without deleting personal data. 5. Disable or remove unused apps. Many phones come with pre-installed apps, bloatware, that you never use. Disabling or uninstalling them reduces system load and improves performance. Fewer apps equals smoother phone. 6. Update your system software. Updates are not just for new features, they include performance fixes and bug improvements. Check Settings, Software Update. Running outdated software can make your phone slower over time. 7. Reduce animations. Advanced trick. Android uses animations for transitions, but they can slow older phones. You can reduce them in developer options: window animation scale, transition animation scale, animator duration scale. Set them to 0.5x or off for faster response. 8. Check for malware or heavy apps. Some apps consume excessive resources or run unwanted background tasks. If your phone suddenly became slow, uninstall recently installed apps and scan for security issues. Strategic insight. A slow Android phone is usually caused by resource imbalance, not damage. The main killers of performance are low storage background apps, outdated software, heavy cache buildup. Fix those, and even an old phone can feel significantly faster. Final conclusion. You don't need a new phone to fix lag. You need better optimization habits. A well-maintained Android device can stay fast for years if you control storage.